fish with a glowing light in the deep so dark. B is for blue-ringed octopus, a blue-ringed octopus, so small but with a venomous spark. C is for cone snail, cone snail, with a sting that you can't see. D is for dragonfish, dragonfish, glowing deep beneath the sea. A is for electric eel, electric eel, shocking prey with a mighty blast. F is for fanged tooth, fanged tooth, with scary jaws that hold on fast. G is for great white shark, great white shark, the strongest hunter in the sea. H is for hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark, looking wide to hunt with glee. I is for Indian lionfish, Indian lionfish, with sharp spines that sting so quick. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, tentacles that give a painful prick. K is for kraken, a legend like a kraken, a giant squid from tail so old. L is for leopard seal, leopard seal, a fierce predator, strong and bold. M is for moray eel, moray eel, hiding in the rocks to bite. N is for needlefish, needlefish, jumping fast with all its might. O is for oarfish, oarfish, a serpent of the sea so long. P is for piranha, piranha, with razor teeth so sharp and strong. Q is for quillfish, quillfish, with spines that poke, so beware. R is for reef stonefish, reef stonefish, venomous spines, watch out down there. S is for scorpionfish, scorpionfish, a master of disguise with a toxic sting. T is for tiger shark, tiger shark, a curious hunter of everything. U is for urchin, urchin, spiky and sharp on the ocean floor. V is for viperfish, viperfish, with long fangs you can't ignore. W is for wabagon, wabagon, a sneaky shark that hides in sand. X is for zipactinus, factinus, a prehistoric predator so grand. U is for yellow sea snake, yellow sea snake, with venom stronger than we know. Z is for zebra moray, zebra moray, hiding in the reef, moving slow.